back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker, aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're about to teach you how to make a Bloody Mary. And now we have our cocktail out the way. Let's go over the ingredients that it takes to make a Bloody Mary. You need Bloody Mary mix. We're using Zing Zang, vodka, and we're gonna use a little Worcestershire sauce. We have our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. We're gonna make this cocktail in our shaker tin. We're building this over ice. It calls for 1 ounce of vodka. Then we're gonna fill this up with Bloody Mary mix. And just for kicks, we're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Now we have our ingredients all together. It's shaking time. Now we have our ingredients shaking. Let's just transport it to our glass. And we're gonna garnish from here with a celery stick. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect Bloody Mary. We're tuning in for another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to reach out to us on our social media platforms. We on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Feel free to like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.